today's session, and today we will discuss about exercise 3.2 third bit second question. Draw the graph of the polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. Okay, let us consider given polynomial as y equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. Okay, so what to do? Now take x values and y, find out y coordinates. We have to find out x coordinates and y coordinates. Consider the x coordinates minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now let us find out the values of y. So consider first one, let x equal to minus 3. Let x equal to minus 3. When x equal to minus 3, what is the value of y? I mean, in place of x, substitute minus 3. Y equal to minus 3 whole square minus 6 into minus 3 plus 9. Minus 3 whole square, that is 9. Minus into minus plus 6 3s are 18 plus 9. 9 plus 18, 27. 27 plus 9, 36. When x equal to minus 3, what is the value of y? Y value is 36. Now, second case, when x equal to minus 2, let us find out the value of y. Y equal to minus 2 whole square minus 6 into minus 2 plus 9. Minus 2 whole square, that is equal to 4. Minus into minus plus 6 2s are 12 plus 9. 4 plus 12, 16. 16 plus 9, that is equal to 25. When x equal to minus 2, what is the value of y? Which is equal to 25. Now when x equal to minus 1, let us find when x equal to minus 1, what is the value of y? Y equal to minus 1 whole square minus 6 into minus 1 plus 9. Minus 1 whole square, which is equal to plus 1. Minus into minus plus 6 1 is 6 plus 9. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 9, that is equal to 16. When x equal to minus 1, what is the value of y? Which is equal to 16. Now, let us find when x equal to 0, what is the value of y? 0 square minus 6 into 0 plus 9. 0 square, 0 minus 6 into 0, 0 plus 9. So, what is the value of y? Y value is 9. Next, when x equal to 1, when x equal to 1, find out the value of y. Y equal to 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 9. 1 square value 1 minus 6 into 1 6 plus 9. 1 plus 9, that is equal to 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6, 4. When x equal to 1, y value is 4. Next, when x equal to 2, let us find the value of y. Y equal to 2 square minus 6 into 2 plus 9. 2 square, that is equal to 4. Minus 6 2s are 12 plus 9. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 minus 12, 1. So what is the value of y? That is equal to 1. Now let us take x is equal to 3. What is the value of y? Y equal to 3 square minus 6 into 3 plus 9. 3 square 9 minus 6 3s are 18 plus 9. 9 plus 9 18 minus 18. 18 minus 18 0. Okay, we got the coordinate points. Let us locate these points. Let us locate these points on a graph paper. Okay, this is our y-axis. And this is our x-axis. This is the origin. On x-axis, what is the scale? On x-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Let me take 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Okay, and on y-axis, because we have here the values 36, 25, 16, 9, and so on, right? Let me take on y-axis. On y-axis, let us take 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25, 30, 35, and so on. Okay? And below the 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, minus 25, minus 30, minus 35, and so on. Locate the point. The first point is minus 3 comma 36. On x-axis minus 3 and on y-axis 36. Here is the minus 3 and minus 36 is somewhere. Let me locate this point. This is our point. Minus 3 comma 36. And second point is minus 2 comma 25. On x-axis minus 2 and on y-axis is 25. This is minus 2 comma 25. Next, minus 1 comma 16. Minus 1 comma 16. On x-axis minus 1 and on y-axis is 16. Minus 1 comma 16. Next, 0 comma 9. On x-axis 0 and on y-axis is 9, which is our point 0 comma 9. Next, 1 comma 4. On x-axis 1 and on y-axis is 4, which is 1 comma 4. Next, 2 comma 1. On x-axis 2 and on y-axis is 1, which is our point 2 comma 1. And the last one is 3 comma 0. This is on x-axis 3 and on y-axis 0. This is our point 3 comma 0. Let me join these points. I mean this graph which is intersecting x-axis at point 3, 3 comma 0. Okay, I mean for this polynomial the two zeros are same, that is 3 comma 3 only. The two zeros are 3 comma 3 only. Because it is a quadratic polynomial, we will get two zeros, that is the two zeros are same, that is 3 comma 3. Let us find, but let us justify the answer by using factorization. By using factorization, given polynomial is y equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. So constant is 9. The factors of 9 are 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9, minus 3, minus 3. Y equal to x square minus 3x plus 9. Let me take x as common. Then x minus 3. If I take minus 3 as common, x minus 3. Here x minus 3, here also x minus 3. Now let me take x minus 3 as common. So left over is again x minus 3. So x minus 3 equal to 0, 1 0 of the polynomial. X minus 3 equal to 0 is another 0 of the polynomial. So minus 3 if you transpose plus 3. Minus 3 if you transpose plus 3. You can check here. The two zeros are x equal to 3 and x equal to 3 and x equal to 3. We got two zeros. That two zeros are same. This is the second question. In third bit, second one, graph of the polynomial x square minus 6x plus 9. Third graph we will discuss in the next video.